Hello, everyone. My name is Nick, and the strategy I wanted to share with everyone is semantic maps for word learning. You'll have to kind of bear with me here. I'm not feeling very well. I've been sick the last few days, so my voice is kind of going. Um, Semantic maps are, in my opinion, super, super useful for math, and I teach a lot of math. Not all literacy strategies kind of mentioned had those things, so I thought this one fit kind of what I did the most. So basically, what a semantic map is when you're taking a word and clearly like having a reason why you're doing the word. So if I'm thinking about math, if I'm thinking about math, right? A lot of the times this will be a topic with other stuff that we've learned before and kind of related to it, or skills that you're gonna need that were learned before that look like they're a piece of this. So I like to do it with, like I said, a new topic as opposed to a word. You could definitely use a word, but especially with upper level math, there's so much going on. I think it provides a clear visual to be able to do that. So for my example, I think I would use, like, say, the quadratic formula. Um, the nice thing about a semantic map is, once again, it's that visual. If you write out the quadratic formula, students will be able to start identifying different parts that they've learned before within that, and kind of refreshing all of that prior knowledge because there's so much that goes in with it. So, like, for example, order of operations. They're going to see that in there. They're going to see terms like exponents. And when I do this, I really like to have students write out what makes sense to them. So, for example, exponents, if I have 3 to the 3 cubed, a lot of the times some kids like to write out 3 times 3 times 3 instead of just 3 times 3. That's usually more of a problem with lower level math groups, but it can be applied to lower level ones at all. So when you write that main word that is kind of the main focus of what you're trying to achieve and learn, that new piece, once again, fits well with math because you can go back. There's so many things you've had to know before, especially in that upper level math. So having that, I also like to do this with the class, so everyone kind of gets a chance to brainstorm their ideas. I like to then iron out all those thoughts and put them all in one spot because there are things that you are going to miss, especially on a new word, a new concept, something like that. So if we scroll down here, like semantic maps, right? Middle here is going to be your quadratic. This could be order of operations, and you have things that branch off of that. Like I said, it's also interconnected. I think you could use it for a lot of other subjects as well, especially new concepts in like science, or maybe if you're thinking about like a like historical cause and effect type of deal, where you have one like main topic and then it's what they know around it. This, I feel like a lot of teachers use it, but I think it's especially effective in math. Kind of right here where it's talking about those details and generalization that clarify the ideas. Um, that is kind of how I look at it, why I think it's the most effective strategy for teaching math. Just because it makes you think about the whole entire topic and everything that surrounds it. Um, Overall, it's something that I've used and I still really like to use. It's pretty easy. You can get it done. It's time efficient. Um, and like I said, you can come back as a whole group and really make a comprehensive list of all those things before you'd really dig into the material. Um, yeah, so that is semantic maps. Thanks for bearing with me. Bye now.